Hello friends, welcome back to Do Not Get It Right with Savan Kumar, and today we are not going to follow the rules. Today we are not going to follow the rules. But yes, we are going to follow the laws. We are not going to break the laws. But we will be breaking the rules. We will be breaking the rules. Let us understand what these rules are and what these laws are and why I am saying that we should be breaking the rules. The definition of rule, what does that say? Rule is a set of explicit or understood regulation or principles governing conduct or procedure within a particular area of activity. So a rule is a set of something that is something that a group of people sat and determined, okay, this is how we are going to work, this is how we are not going to work, based on something somebody achieved. So Thomas Edison made a light bulb. Now he wrote how he made a light bulb. Now that became a rule. Okay, these are the processes that we are going to follow to make a light bulb. But if somebody has to build something new, if somebody has to make something new, innovate something, he has to break the rules. You have to break the rule if you want to do something different. If you want to break the ground, if you want to go out of the boundary of the rules, you have to break the rules. You have to break the rules. Rules set up by people who at some point of time did break the rule themselves. They broke the rule, they did something new, and then that became a rule. For us Indians, slavery was a rule which was broken by Gandhiji. Slavery was a rule that was broken by Gandhiji. Today, we are again following the rules set up by somebody which we need to break if we want to do something new, which might be out of convention, which might be something different, which might be something new, which might be something that you have never heard of or thought of, which might be that the country or the universe is not aware of. But we have to. Flying in the sky was only possible when somebody broke the rule of flying on the ground, of running on the ground. Somebody broke the rule. Somebody thought that why not fly in the sky instead of run on the ground. Somebody broke that rule, right? Now when I was flying in the sky, somebody broke that rule to go against the gravity and travel to the moon or to Mars. Somebody is breaking the rule. Somebody is always breaking the rule. If my family, let's say if somebody's family has always been into job, but you want to start something of your own, if you want to start your own business, you will have to break that rule which your family has imposed on themselves, that they will always be doing jobs. If you are born in middle class, you will have to break that rule of being into middle class, and only then you can get to the next class. You have to break that rule of being into middle class. You have to break that rule of being an employee always. You have to break that rule of not being successful always. And you will have to break the rule to be successful, to be the winner. You will always have to break the rule to do something different, to do something unique, and to be known not only for breaking the rules, but giving the world something new that they had not thought of, something new that they had never imagined of. That's what most of the innovators and inventors do. That is what most of these intelligent people, smart people, most successful people do. They are somewhere breaking the rules of the games. That's how it has been happening. If all of the cars were moving on petrol and diesel, Elon Musk has said that I would drive cars using electric. I will make these cars electric. He broke the rule of the cars being run on petrol and diesel. He said I would run the cars on electric. The world said he has gone crazy. The world said, how is it possible that you would charge a car and it would just be electric and it would run hundreds of kilometers? Then he said, I will make the cars driverless. He again broke the rule. And a car running without a driver, how is that possible? But he did that. He said that I will break the rule, where the rule is that once a rocket or something flies in the sky, it never comes back. He said, I will prepare a launch pad that is reusable. He is breaking the rules. So the world is going to remember only those people who are breaking the rules, setting up their new rules, playing their own game, and that is who are remembered. Not the people who are playing somebody else's game, not those people who are playing on somebody else's rule, not those who are playing on somebody else's ground. If you want to be remembered, if you want to be successful, you have to create your own set of rules, your own playground where you are the leader, you are the player, and you are the one who is setting up the rules. You are the trend setter, not the trend follower, is what we say. So whenever there is a trend setter, that means that has not been in existence. When you are breaking the rule, you are actually not breaking the rule, but you are trying something that has not been tried before. You are doing something for which there has been no rule before, because they did not existed before. So you are not breaking any rule, but you are doing something which has never been done before, and no rule exists for that. So let's say I come up with a new game. Now, because that game was never into existence, how can a rule be there? Only once I build that game, I play that game, many others would play that game, and that is when a rule would come into existence and how the other people would be playing it. So first you have to create something, bring something into existence, and that is when the rule is created. So be ready, be prepared to create something new, innovate something new, break the rules, come out of those boundaries that the society and our mind actually creates for ourselves, and do something new, do something fresh. So are you ready? Are you ready to be bold enough to break the rules? Are you bold enough to break the rules and create your own set of rules? But yes, when you break the rules, do make sure that you are not breaking the law, because law is different than what the rule is. You have to make sure that you are not breaking the law, and when you are breaking the rules, you are also very, very, very careful that it is not harming anybody, it is not causing trouble to somebody. You are breaking the rule for yourself, you are breaking the rule for your development, for your growth, and you are also doing it for somebody's benefit. You are going to give to the society, to the country, or to the universe something that they have not seen. So you have to see a bigger picture of what you are trying to do, what you are trying to get, so that you have an explanation to yourself with the reason, a proper and appropriate reason of why are you breaking the. You have to answer yourself first. You are answerable to yourself first. So you have to know what you are doing, you have to understand what you are doing, and go ahead and win. I wish you all the very best from me, Savan Kumar, and if you have any questions, any queries, do feel free to ask me, and I'll be there to help you and answer you. Until then, have a great and a wonderful day. Bye bye.